Yes, the Sports Coaching Foundation, not only here in this place, we have having one more extension center in Secunderabad, in a small place at Syndicate Bank Colony, West Maratpalli. There also we are helping some hundreds of children. We have 40 coaches and other staffs. They're all very enthusiastic to promote. Most of them are voluntarily they are coming, because coming for the sports voluntarily is very, very difficult, because nowadays a lot of time you have to spend, and people, it's not, sports culture is not much in a society right now. And when we go to government schools, it's very difficult to face the principals and physical directors, because we are requesting them to, even though we are want to donate certain things, accepting is very difficult. We have to convince them. That's why sports culture is required every level, in physical directors, principals, and children wants to play. Of course, children, every child wants to play some game. But the elders has to come forward and encourage our foundation, and by giving the donation, because we were doing last 24 years this work, and we want to do more and more. We need a donation. We don't have a single corpus fund here, single pie of the corpus fund. Even though we have a government has given in ATG exemption, and also FCRA, very difficult to get FCRA. Home Ministry has given last 20 years. In Hyderabad itself, getting under FCRA foreign donation 350 crores. But not a single pie came to our foundation last 2 years, because it's not a core subject. We have to convince them to come. Ek bache ko खिलाना बोल तो then it's very difficult, because people are more focused on education, definitely our middle class and lower middle class and all. And I hope that India will also run for the medals, like cricket masses will play from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. That's why we are getting a lot of talented cricketers. Like that, other games also, especially less privileged people, we are promoting. Only if we have a funds, only we can do, like NMDC, people, more corporates should come forward under their CSR and help this organization, so that we can do more work for the children, and India will go for the more medals. Thank you very much.